Hello, beautiful beings. I thought I would share something related to the shift that is happening on the planet and how you can evolve riding this wave of new energy. Um, don't expect for any specific shift to happen in the external environment, or don't wait for any dates for something to happen for you to go into a higher state of consciousness. The energies will be keep on shifting, keep on going high in frequency, and it will bring natural changes gradually in the collective consciousness. But for your personal shift to happen, don't wait for anything. All the frequencies are already here. You can shift and experience unity consciousness now. You don't have to wait for any future dates. Already we are in the field of unity consciousness. Probably you will be experiencing the way you feel in your body and mind, depending on the place that you live, depending on the people that you are surrounded with. So how this is happening? We are not isolated anymore. We are feeling much more. We are feeling what the earth feels. We are feeling what the energy of a plant or a stone or a crystal is. We are already open. We are feeling much more than what we are as an individual or independent being. We are feeling what the earth feels. We are feeling what the surrounding is. No? We are no more isolated. We are not in a box. We are feeling already what the energy field is around. We are already a part of unity consciousness, and the collective is upgrading gradually. And as each and every one we wake up, we expand further and further. This collective consciousness is going to be impacted. That's how we impact. We open ourselves up, and then entire collective is being impacted. So all that I have to say is focus on your own personal upgradation, and please don't wait for any shift to happen in the planet as a whole for you to experience a better state of mind and body. All that you need is now, here and now. It is here. Go into your heart, expand, and try to lead a life that gives you true joy. Tune into your happiness and be joyful. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Stay grounded. Keep grounding the higher frequencies here for the planet to go high in frequency for the goodness of the whole. Thank you.